Your oil turned black after just 300 miles, and that fast lube joint is feeding you a line about why it's happening. With over 25 years turning wrenches in the garage, I've watched folks get fleeced out of hundreds on bogus engine flushes, all because some slick-talking tech waved a dark dipstick in their face like it's the end of the world. Truth is, 85% of the time, that black oil is straight up proof your engine's running like it should. But that other 15%, that's a ticking time bomb for a $6,000 overhaul you don't see coming. Today, I'm laying out 12 reasons your oil turns black, plus the critical moment when it's actually spelling disaster. Stick with me, we're diving in deep. 12. The top reason your oil goes black is actually a win for your engine, even if it tricks your eyes into thinking something's wrong. It all boils down to a basic mix-up about what today's oils are built for. Back in the 70s, oil was pretty much just a slippery goop to keep parts from grinding. If it stayed clean too long, the gunk would sink and harden into sludge that wrecked everything. But modern synthetics? They're like high-tech cleaners loaded with advanced additives. Key players here are the detergents and dispersants. Detergents act like a power washer, blasting away carbon buildup and residue from your engine's hotspots, while dispersants grab that junk and keep it swirling in the oil so it doesn't settle. When you yank that dipstick and it's inky black, you're witnessing oil that's acing its role. It's captured all that piston soot and is shuttling it to the filter for disposal. If your oil hung on to that golden hue for thousands of miles, it'd mean it's slacking, leaving varnish to cake on valves and rings, leading to big-time wear. So yeah, black oil here is a green light. But if it's not just dark but feels rough or sandy when you rub it, that's a red flag pointing to your driving habits, and we'll get into why that matters next. 11. The grocery getter killer. This one's sneaking up on engines in quiet neighborhoods everywhere, and it's brutal. Picture this. Your car's life is all quick errands, 5 miles to the market, back home, a mile to the coffee shop, then park it. You figure low miles mean you're treating it right, but you're actually hammering the oil harder than a cross-country haul. Here's the deal. Overnight, as the engine cools, humidity sneaks in and condenses like dew on grass, pooling water right in the crankcase. Fire it up for a short jaunt, and the oil barely hits that magic 200 degrees Fahrenheit mark where water evaporates. Instead, it lingers, mixing with fuel leftovers to form acids that chew through the oil's defenses, darkening it way ahead of schedule and creating that creamy gunk under the cap. When you yank that dipstick and it's inky black, you're witnessing oil that's acing its role. It's captured all that piston soot and is shuttling it to the filter for disposal. If your oil hung on to that golden hue for thousands of miles, it'd mean it's slacking, leaving varnish to cake on valves and rings, leading to big-time wear. So yeah, black oil here is a green light. But if it's not just dark but feels rough or sandy when you rub it, that's a red flag pointing to your driving habits, and we'll get into why that matters next. Number 10. The $20 part that kills engines. This little $20 gadget is behind thousands in repairs, and most folks never even glance at it. In my time, I've swapped out hundreds on vehicles headed for the junkyard, turning what looked like terminal engine failure into a quick revival. We're talking the PCV valve, your engine's breathing system. As cylinders fire, some exhaust sneaks past rings into the crankcase, loaded with grime and vapors. The PCV pulls that blowby out, recirculating it to burn clean. But hit 50,000 miles and gunk clogs it shut. Now those fumes are trapped, pressurizing the oil and infusing it with soot at warp speed. Your fresh change goes black in no time flat. Shops push rebuilds, but it's often just this valve needing a swap. Clean one saves the day, yet even with it humming, your fuel setup could be stacking the deck against you. Number 9. The direct injection dilemma. Own anything post-2010, like a Toyota, Chevy, or Audi? Odds are it's got direct injection, or GDI, and that's a soot factory in disguise. Older setups mixed fuel in the intake for a clean burn. GDI blasts it straight into the chamber at insane pressures for punch and mileage. Downside, less mix time means way more tiny carbon particles. Studies peg it at up to 15 times the soot of port injection. Those bits scrape into the oil, blackening it fast and wearing components like sandpaper. Your exhaust tips tell the tale. They're caked black too. It's like running a mini diesel without the heavy-duty oil to match. So if black oil's your norm, blame the tech upgrade. But add a turbo and the heat turns it nuclear. Number 8. The turbo heat trap. Turbos aren't just for racers anymore. They're in family sedans and trucks galore. That exhaust-driven spinner hits 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit plus, and your oil lubes its blazing fast shaft. Slam the key off after a hot run, and the oil sits stagnant, baking into coke that flakes off and darkens the whole supply. It's thermal murder, accelerating breakdown and turning oil abrasive. No turbo, no problem. Sometimes the oil you pick is the villain from the start. Number 7. The cheap oil lie. A guy rolled in with his 2018 Subaru convinced it was guzzling oil. No leaks, no smoke, but down a quart every 1,000 miles. I checked his stash. Bargain bin synthetic at rock bottom price. Switched to a true premium with low volatility and poof, levels steady as a rock. Cheap stuff evaporates under heat, leaving concentrated gunk that blackens and thickens fast. Labels lie. Synthetic means refined crude versus lab-built bases that resist boiling off. Skimp here and you're inviting Varnish City, costing big on repairs. Quality oil? Worth every penny, but even top shelf can't fight failing seals. Number 6. The worn ring problem. PCV's fine, but if rings are toast from miles or neglect, blowby floods the crankcase with exhaust crud, blackening oil overnight. Sniff the stick. Gas stench means dilution. Cap off running shows puffing smoke like a choo-choo. Rings are gone. No snake oil fixes it. Rebuild or regret. Yet sometimes it's not wear, it's echoes from the past owner. Number 5. The time machine effect. Snagged a used ride? If the prior guy skimped on changes, internals are sludged up. Dump in premium detergent oil and it attacks that buildup, suspending it and turning fresh oil black quick. It's cleaning house. Change it soon, repeat, and watch it stay cleaner as the engine revives. Loving these insights? Subscribe now. I crank out gems weekly. But great oil needs a solid filter or it's all for naught. Number 4. The bypass valve betrayal. You splurge on fancy oil but grab a discount filter? Big mistake. Cheap ones bypass too easy, skipping filtration so contaminants loop endlessly, blackening oil rapid fire. Upgrade to quality and watch the difference. Cleaner oil longer. Gas engines struggle, but diesels, they're in a league of black all their own. Number 3. The diesel factor. Buddy with a fresh Ram diesel freaked when oil went black post-change, drained it twice more thinking doom. Told him that's diesel life. High compression spits soot galore. Oil's built to handle it, turning black as designed. Lab test if worried. Color means zilch. Change by miles, not looks, or wallet weeps. But for all engines, heat's the reaper. Number 2. The heat death. No turbo needed. Oxidation hits like rust on metal. Oil heats, oxygen attacks, thickening it to sludge that starves parts. Every 20 degrees hotter halves life. Tow, traffic, or desert living amps it. Severe schedules for most. Ignore it at peril as black turns destructive. Number 1. The manufacturer interval lie. Black oil's root? Blind faith in that 10,000-mile sticker. Makers stretch intervals for sales hype, but additives tap out by 5,000 in real driving, leaving acids and dropout gunk wreak havoc. Clogged solenoids, stretched chains, early death. Euro failure stats, 75% on long intervals blow early. They plan for warranty end, you pay post. Beat it with shorter changes. You just uncovered 12 reasons why your oil turns black, spotting safe from scary. Dip it now, sniff, feel for grit, takes seconds, saves thousands. But oil is half the battle. The fuel you pump could be sabotage. I'm calling out 13 pump brands eroding engines stealthily. Tap that video popping up now.